ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Esteemed FaceTime with Leaders, an initiative by World Development Corporation. I'm Sunny Pancholi, anchor at World Development Corporation. FaceTime with Leaders is a platform for industry titans to share their experiences, thoughts, ideas, and best practices in order to inspire one another and future leaders. In a nutshell, we attempt to encapsulate the multi-decadal learnings acquired by these industry leaders. We also hope that by conducting these FaceTime with Leaders interviews, we can bring together a global community of eminent personalities. By bringing together such visionaries on one platform, we hope to play a part in inspiring the lives of other leaders. Great learnings from great leaders undoubtedly assist everyone by identifying, nurturing, and using the trade secrets that are proven success formulas for many. And this is what we aim for with these sessions, by making them a gathering of industry stalwarts and a knowledge-sharing community. We have one such industry titan on FaceTime with Leaders with us today, Mr. Dharmendrakumar Parikh. He is a highly experienced and accredited practicing lawyer. With a total experience of 4 decades, he has built a successful career in the law industry, specializing in various areas such as sales, management, and legal affairs. In terms of his current role as practicing lawyer, Mr. Parikh handles cases in multiple jurisdictions, including the Bombay High Court in Mumbai, the NCLT in Mumbai, the Supreme Court of India in Delhi, and the Gujarat High Court in Ahmedabad. His vast experience and deep knowledge of the legal system make him a reliable and trustworthy advocate for his clients. Welcome to FaceTime with Leaders, Mr. Parikh.
Yes, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Hello, everybody. Yes, I'm fine.
Our viewers would be glad to have you on our show, sir.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Right.
So, Mr. Parikh, to begin with, could you let our viewers know about your career journey so far?
I started my career long back in around 82, 83, somewhere. And I started my career as a salesman for firefighting extinguishers. From there, I started slowly, gradually increasing in my positions. And basically, I am a science student. I have passed my BSc Physics. So I have, I can easily capture what the industry wants. And that's how I continued my career till I finished in around 88. Then from 88, I started my law career because there are various lawyers in my family. My uncle, my grandmother's uncle, everybody were lawyer. So I started pursuing career in law. But actual practicing I started in 1999. And then since 1999, I am taking out law as my career. I am practicing in Bombay High Court, then NCLT Bombay, then various other courts, arbitration proceedings in Bombay. Then I am practicing in Gujarat High Court, and some of my matters are listed in Supreme Court and have some reported judgments in the Supreme Court also. So that's how I am pursuing my career. Now at present, after age of completing 60, I'm almost having another 15-20 years to complete my journey, right?
Right, sir.
Yes.
Thank you so much for the excellent start to this interview. And it's an honor to interact with someone who exudes such a strong corporate personality. Continuing our conversation, we would like to know, you served in the role of a salesperson for a long time and later switched to the field of law.
Yeah.
So what was the reason to switch?
The reason to switch was that in my family, there were so many lawyers. So ultimately, I had to go to the law industry. That was there. But maximum time I spend in salesperson or in the industry because I was interested in sales and other management in the industry. That's why I was pursuing this my career in sales and management. But ultimately, I had to go to the law because of there is a family pressure, and there were so many lawyers in the family, so I had to continue that.
Absolutely. So, building on that, we would like to know what role do you find the most exciting throughout your career?
Exciting role. Earlier, I found that managing a company and carrying out sales and other things, that was very exciting, because going to the field, meeting to the bank people, and all that things were exciting. But after joining the law, started practicing in law. After another 5, 10 years in law, then thought it is. Then I started getting it more and more excited, because I started arbitration. I started the company law practice. Everything was excited, and then in 2012 I started practicing in Supreme Court also. So that was another new experience. Recently, I completed an international arbitration in Qatar. So that was another exciting experience. So law industry is also more exciting, right?
Absolutely. So, after you switched to your practicing, any
Yeah.
exciting case that you would like to mention about, or which was the most challenging for you to come out through?
As such, see, the law is such an industry that if you stick to the law, then you will get the result what you want. But cases wise, see, I don't take criminal cases. So there was not much excitement from the criminal side. Whatever excitement I have, that is in company law and arbitration. In some of the arbitration cases, I got some excitement, but as such, there is every case is excited, right?
Right. So, moving ahead, Mr. Parikh, how and when did you develop an interest in ESG and corporate governance?
See, since my childhood, I am interested, or I was rather looking that I may become some industrialist in my future. That's what I had in my mind. That's how I started this sales career. Being a science student, I joined the sales career. Then I continued it also. But due to the family pressure, I had to uh, get into the law industry. Then in legal firm also, I got very vast experience and continue to stick to that particular industry till today. Now I am thinking that this is my age that I can contribute to the industry, to the whole community also, in and around myself. So therefore, I have started my knowledge increasing in this CSR and ESG, and then go for an independent director in some company.
So, Mr. Parikh, before we conclude our discussion on corporate governance, I would like to ask you, as an ESG and corporate governance expert, what values do you bring to the table?
Values wise, the company, whichever company is there, company has to have the CSR and the ESG as per the law also, as well as from their heart, it has to be there, because otherwise the company will not survive. That is what I think. Therefore, use of plastic should be banned, and use of the other materials which are hazardous to the industry, which are hazardous to the people also. So that type of material using by the companies, that should be avoided. That is what I am thinking.
So, my next is on technology, since it has become an integral part of our lives. What are some of
Yes.
the most remarkable changes you have seen in your field with changes in technology? And what changes do you expect to see with the advent of technology like IoT, AI, ML, blockchain, Web 3.0, etc.?
After this COVID, the technology has increased too much, and it is increasing at a very rapid pace. After COVID, we have seen everything has gone online. Similarly, the technologies which are now upcoming, that is definitely going to help. in increasing the ESG part of the company. Particularly, whatever technology you are talking, that is blockchain and other things, ML and blockchain. I don't have much experience to that technology, but still, I feel that that is definitely going to help to the industries.
Rightly said. You
Yeah.
have seen the change from manually having registers for everything and the paperwork
Everything.
and shifting to this,
I have
everything
stopped
being
going to Delhi.
autonomous.
I have stopped going to Delhi. I am conducting my cases in Supreme Court by online only. I don't go to Delhi.
That could be a best
Otherwise,
example of the
uh,
development in technology
otherwise
space.
every time we have to go there, and due to some or other reason the date is given and we have to come back. Also, wastage of time that was there.
So moving ahead, we are building a community of industry magnets. The move is meant for cross-pollination of knowledge and building a knowledge-sharing community of corporate giants and industry experts. So what are your thoughts about these initiatives taken by Mr. Zishan Pathan, Mr. Heval Mehta, and the whole team of WDC?
It is actually very helpful to people like us, and it is definitely going to increase our knowledge also, and to the industry also. Industry will get knowledgeable independent directors or knowledgeable personalities as key managerial persons, because very good knowledge and very brief this material that has been given to us by this WTC. Independent Directors Institute is a very good institute, I tell you. It has given me too much knowledge. Though my memory is sharp, I'm getting it fast, everything is there, but still it is a very good knowledgeable, very right initiative taken up.
Great, amazing. So
Right,
it was fantastic conversing with you, and I'm confident that
right,
your insights will inspire the
right.
future leaders. Thank you,
Thank you,
Mr.
thank you,
Dharmendrakumar Parikh, for joining us today. Wish you the best for your
thank you,
future endeavors. Moreover,
thank you very much.
trust that this initiative by Directors Institute has
Right,
unquestionably expanded the participants' understanding and enriched their
right,
minds.
right. Sure, sure. Right.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a nice
Thank you
day.
very much. Thank you very much.